1985 Chevrolet 3100 step side pickup here at Unique, especially in Classic. This one's been street rotted a little bit. Small block Chevy underneath the hood, so 350 V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive 700 R4. Also nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the front chrome and the bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Paint to the finish on this truck it's rather interesting. It's not a flat like primer black, if you know what I'm saying, so it's not a real dull, but yet at the same time it's not a high-end crazy gloss finish either. It's a great look on this truck if you ask me. Check out the still pictures, take a look all around this truck, underside, interior, engine bay, see for yourself. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. And you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on wide white wall radials. We have good riches, the steel wheels with the beauty rings and the center caps. Great look on this body style truck, especially with this finish. It's kind of cool. Take a look down the passenger side here. Nicely done interior too, with a bench seat, contoured bench seat, armrests. Those backrests are adjustable. We'll get around to the driver's side where you can see it a little bit better. It's got tilt column, Dakota digital gauge cluster in there, so nice setup in the interior, retro sound, custom radio install. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Like how they put those taillights in. Of course, the dual exhaust, vented tailgate, tonneau cover. You'll be able to see in the still pictures underneath the tonneau cover and into the box. UniqueClassicCars.com. You can check out all those pics. Gas fill back here. Great stance to this truck too. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This one will definitely turn some heads. It's got a look to it. Let's check out that interior a little closer. Doors painted to match on the interior. Of course, the kind of built-in running board, I guess, if you will. This body style. Fabric seats. Free of rips, tears, holes. Now, when I get right up on top of it, that washes it out. Let me step back here a second and show you. There's the color of the interior. It is a nice dark charcoal gray. When I get right up on top, it's going to wash it out a little bit. So I want to make you aware of that. Again, tilt column. Nice setup in the interior. Electric wipers. There's that Dakota digital gauge cluster. Let's go ahead and fire this up. That retro sound, custom radio install. There's speakers behind the seats and down in the kick panels, and it's a nice sounding stereo too. Top of the dash, everything painted inside to match. It does have a headliner in it. Be nice for a little sound absorption. Door closes, it fits nicely. Got a little rumble to it. Let's slip up to the front. Remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car down the road, show you what it's like to take it down the road, maybe see how it drives out, give you kind of a virtual ride. Hang on a second, let's get this hood open. There's a look at the underside of the hood, and kind of cool. Check this out, red highlighted engine bay. There it is, 350 V8 Edelbrock intake manifold, 4-barrel carb, also Edelbrock. HDI ignition, it's like a Champion aluminum radiator. Heater hose is all intact, as well as AC. So all the equipment, power steering, power brakes, AC. Headers down there. This truck's nicely loaded, and then remember that 700 R4 automatic transmission. good underneath there. How about that? 1955 Chevrolet 3100 step side. All the equipment. Great looks. Call us 507-386-1726. And look at that stance. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1955 Chevrolet pickup. A few modern touches. We've got modern gauges, digital odometer, retro sound style radio. It's lowered a bit. That retro sound style radio working well. You can tell the suspension has been modernized. It handles very well. Smooth acceleration and very good acceleration. Nice mean sound to that exhaust. Tachometer showing 1500 RPM at 55 miles an hour. Water temperature is still showing cold, but it was only started recently. Fuel gauge is showing a half a tank and the volts are at 14 and the oil pressure is at 70 psi. That's all looking good. Windshield wipers work on this truck, as does the blower motor. A little bit of wind noise as you might expect from a truck that's not aerodynamic at all, but looks really good. One of Chevy's best styles ever, the 55 to 57 Chevy pickup. In a very nice black paint. Inside also black with black cloth seats. Black cloth headliner. Nice looking carpet. This truck corners very well. Woo! Okay. I gave her a little throttle and we broke the tire loose, so she's got lots of power. Very fun truck. Good handling truck. One of the better 55 to 7 Chevy trucks I've driven. Comfortable aftermarket seats. If I let go of the steering wheel, this truck stays right where you put it. Easy to drive, very fun truck. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.